Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to export the video on Davinci Resolve. So let's start. If I want to now export this video here, as you can see, what I can do is go into the part top right corner here and go to quick export, and then here on quick export you can save, and these settings you can start saving it for YouTube, TikTok, or presentation. Whenever you are ready to, just for example TikTok, and you click on export, to select the file here and you write the name, and then just write and save, and then you start saving all the video here. When it finished, you will can see it on your files. So that's the way to save it, guys. I hope this works for you. As you can see, it's very easy. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.